My friend, I should say do family. I do, we do, you do, he does, she does, it does, they do. My friend started saying I have, we have, you have, he has, she has, it has, they have. My friend Lahai saying body gesture be family, do family and have family. I am, I do, I have, we are, we do, we have, you are, you do, you have. Let's be ready, Bhargav. He does, he has, she is, she does, she has, it is, it does, it has, they are, they do, they have. Thank you, Nalanda. Father is studying in first standard. Today I am saying does it want me to do family? I do not. We do not. You do not. He does not. She does not. It does not. They do not. Thank you, Nalanda. Thank you, Bhargav. I am studying in second standard. Today's topic is word building with consonants. B for butterfly, C for computer, D for diamond, F for fish, G for grapes, H for helicopter, J for jacket, K for kiwi, L for lion, M for mouse. Jai Bharat, Nalanda. My name is Anvega. I'm studying in second standard. That's really standard. M for nectar, P for peacock, Q for cloud, R for rainbow, S for swan, T for tiger, U for V for Valtteri, W for walnut, X for X-ray, Y for heart, Z for zebra. Thank you, Nalanda. Thank you, Devi. Topic of simple past. Hello, students. I hope you all are well. Yes, teacher. Sit down. Rishika, Aradhya, Geeta Amrita, Pranati, Preeti, Rukaya, Akshaya, Uma Devi, Adiba, Rukaya, did you do your homework? Yes, I did, teacher. Very good. Sit down. Geeta Amrita, where is your sister? She did not come to school. She had a fever. Mom took my sister to the hospital. I see. Okay. Students, open your English book, page number 23. Teacher, may I go to nature car? Sure, please be quick. Pranati, have you learned present continuous tense? Yes, I have. Very good. Sit down. Akshaya, what are the helping verbs of present continuous tense? Is, are, and am. For example, I am sitting right now. You are teaching us in. Very good. Teacher, when do we go for picnic? Next week. Saimai, what are you doing? I am writing a letter to my mom. Okay, sit down. Rishika, when do we celebrate Children's Day? On November 14th. Yes, sit down. Teacher, what are we learning today? Today we are going to learn about animals. I love animals. That's great to hear. Teacher, can I ask you a question? Of course, you can ask a question, anything. I didn't understand the sentence. No problem, I will help you. Thank you, teacher. You are welcome. Teacher, what is your favorite color? I like violet. What about you? I like blue and red. Those are vibrant colors. Thank you, teacher. Saimai, what is your favorite subject? I really like English. English is a wonderful subject. Can we do English project today? Yes, we can do English project later. Pranati, what do you want to become in future? I want to be a teacher like you when I grow up. It is a wonderful dream. I will work hard for it. I believe in you. Thank you for being the best teacher. Sir, what is today's homework? Today's homework is learn verb forms. Thank you. Students, today we are going to learn about pronunciation of words. Rishka, what is the pronunciation of this word? Poor. It is not poor, it is poor. Akshaya, what is the pronunciation of this word? Uncle. It is not uncle, it is uncle. Umadevi, what is the pronunciation of tiny? It is not tiny, it is tiny. Dear teachers and students, we have an advice for you. First, going from students. First point, listen attentively. Second point, wait your turn to speak and raise your hand. Third point, be polite. Fourth point, share and collaborate. Fifth point, keep your area clean. Last but not the least, apologize and forgive. Thank you. Thank you, Nalanda. Thank you, ma'am.
She sang a song. It went
performance by 8th Guy.
Good morning, good evening, please stand, please learn, go home, try again. Thank you, Nalanda. Nalanda, my name is Manokshita. I'm studying in second class. Today saying casual sentence. Please sit, please stand, please don't talk, please go slowly, please come in. Thank you, Nalanda.
Family with body gestures.
My studying in first class. Today I'm saying daily activities. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take my bath. I get ready to school. I have my breakfast. I
to my the opposite team. How do you say that degree is better than knowledge?
Jai Bharat Nalanda. I am Keith Reddy from 8th standard. Today I am supporting for degree. And without degree we can't get jobs. We cannot apply any jobs, government jobs or private jobs.
I asked you a question. How degree is better than knowledge? Not about jobs.
Knowledge, we cannot see knowledge, but degree in front of society, they can get respect. He completed some degree certificate.
This debate teachers also can take participate. Without knowledge, how you are participating in this program and how do you get more ideas, or how do you ask any questions to us, to opposite team? How do you ask without knowledge? In our society, whatever you have knowledge, but the people and society, the management and whatever, in the society nothing but if you go the branches in every sector, they are just recognizing us by the certificate. So that certificate completely given by the organizations and universities. So that is only useful, that is only approximately everyone should choose the certificate. However, knowledge is there, but before the knowledge, one thing is there, that is the first step is degree.
To my opposite team, if you are applying any job in private sector, not government sector, you can, and they will say, show what you completed, certificate. They will not see first knowledge, they will see certificate and they will qualify you.
While giving any graduation, after graduation, they will ask one demo to the employees. In the demo, they will not do their knowledge and they will show for a certificate, give job to me. They will give a job.
Students, please keep quiet.
For example, for Nalanda High School and teacher, for Nalanda High School and teacher came to the job. So our correspondents are asked to show the demo, but he didn't have any knowledge. Then how he got job?
They will see first certificate, after only demo or demo.
Yes, I agree. What is my dear Praveen sir said and my dear student Kirti said, it's very agree. But a small question to my fellow team. A certificate without knowledge is nothing but a pen without ink. Will it usable? Without ink, will the pen will be right? It will be useless. So, my dear, knowledge is more important than the certificate. So, by the first physical appearance, we need a certificate. But later, our management or other officials come to know whether you are capable or not by our knowledge itself. Thank you. You said without ink, pen is useless. So here I would like to put some question for you. Suppose you are going to write an exam for 10th class. This has been going through various stages. So in order to get knowledge or certificate, can anyone answer? Our 10th class students are just rigorously every day they are practicing for knowledge or degree. They are every day they are practicing or they are learning not for knowledge, they are for degree. Suppose the exam is ahead. So if they don't score good marks, will be they happy or sad? even though they are intellectual. But if they qualify the 10th board exam, if they get the certificate, then only they will be happy. No, because of the certificate they are suffering here in the hostels, isn't it? Are you agree? Because of certificate they are staying in the hostels. So if they are unable to qualify the upcoming exams, they may not be satisfied. They may be intellectual, they may be very clever. Unless and until they get the certificates, they will be not happy. Thank you. But they are success in their life. Sir, students, keep quiet. Students, wait. Listen here, everyone. Turn your heads towards the stage. Turn your heads towards the stage, everyone. Listen here carefully, the debate. For successing in our life, 10th class certificate is not must, but you have to be a skilled person. Then you will success in our life. Hey student, I want to give one suggestion to you. Okay, they are in the good place. It is made by their interest. Okay, of course, they have knowledge. But if you, whatever society runs now, if you want a sign, so where will you get that sign? From the MLA or MP or our collector? So whoever, the farmers and everyone, jobbers, they are finally go near that collectors and MEO, MROs who are in that. So representatives never give the right opportunity to you. So the people, they will recognize you who have get the knowledge by the certificate. Is it okay? You understand? So for suppose you go near our collector, so what happens? If you go near our MLA, what happens? So who will give you respect? Our collector or our MLAs? No one. No one will give you. So if you go in this uniform, will they give you respect? Yes. Only the person, collector will give you. Okay, so that certificate, you get, of course, what I said, you can tell one example given now, but here I will give an example for you. So the certificate is mother and our knowledge is the son. So first of all we will see our mother only, after then son. Okay, okay, thank you. But as per this contemporary or modern period which is there, as per this modern period which is there, certificate. Okay, to pass out the 10th, it's okay. They are practicing, they are doing each and everything. And once primes are gave a collector, to meet a collector there is no need of a certificate because he is an administrator, number one. To meet a Mandal Legislative Assembly, there is no need of a certificate because he is a public service person. Member of Parliament, to meet him, there is no need of a certificate. We can interact with them. It's an honor for the people when they are interacting with that great body because they are working under behalf of our India. They are elected to the people itself. That whatever the topic which you said, it is not related to a certificate. A common man also directly can meet that person and they can interact with them and they can share their views each and everything. Certificates, education which is related to whatever the certificates which are there, it is related to education to show his dignity or a labor which he had been studied throughout his life. Finally, I want to conclude this debate by one word. So, knowledge and certificate. There is inexhaustive relationship in between the two. We can't compare, we can't divide the two. Okay? Thank you everyone. To become principal, enough to have knowledge, sir. In order to become principal, enough to have knowledge or you require certificate? Yeah. So, in order to become principal or anything, so you must have the first thing. You are in a debate. So you must have the degrees Okay, then only you can be eligible to become anything. Sir, now sir has, okay, sir is a principal. So he may be very knowledgeable, he may be very intellectual. But he must have the degrees, then only he can become a principal. Thank you.
Money and keeping on money, and with the earning money only, he build a shopping mall, and he build a shopping mall, and he is there in a big position now.
So for my last word, I want to convey last one word. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is one of the Chaiwala. He got Prime Minister, he is ruling our country now. He didn't have any degree. So I always say degree is better than knowledge.
Next, be ready to present it. Please be quiet. My name is Gagan. I'm studying in first standard. Today is my saying family burial activity. I am a doctor, guide with patients.
My name is Sarita. I'm studying in PPT. Now I'm saying differently. I am, we are, you are, he is, she is, it is, they are. Let's learn family for saying differently. My name is Riyanya. I study in secondary. Sister of family. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. Thank you, Naranda. Bharat Naranda. My name is Priyanshi. I'm studying with family. Goodbye, Nalanda. My name is Akhisha. I am from second D section. Today I am saying example. They speak in English. They spoke in English. They will speak in English. Thank you, Nalanda.
ముందుగా ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి నన్ను ఇన్వైట్ చేసినందుకు కరస్పాండెంట్ గారికి అలాగే ప్రిన్సిపాల్ గారికి, ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి అటెండ్ అయిన మిగతా స్కూల్ టీచర్స్ అండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ అందరికీ కూడా, అలాగే మన పాత్రికేయులకు, మీడియా సిబ్బందికి అందరికీ కూడా నా యొక్క నమస్కారం. సడన్గా నన్ను ఇన్వైట్ చేశారు. ఏదేమైనప్పటికీ స్కూల్ ఇన్విటేషన్స్ అంటే నాకు చాలా ప్రత్యేకమైన ఆసక్తి. నిజానికి రావాలని ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుంది. ఏమాత్రం ఖాళీ దొరికినా కూడా ఇలాంటి కార్యక్రమాల నుంచి అటెండ్ అవుదామని నేను చూస్తుంటాను. పిల్లలు అంటే చదువుకోవడం మనకు కావాల్సింది. ఇప్పుడు మీకు పెట్టిన కాన్సెప్ట్ కూడా అదే, ఇంగ్లీష్ టెస్ట్ అని చెప్పేసి. మన అందరికీ కూడా తెలిసినదే. మేమందరం కూడా చాలామంది మోస్ట్ అందరూ కూడా చిన్నప్పుడు చదువుకుని అందరూ కూడా తెలుగు మీడియమే. సో తెలుగు మీడియంలో చదువుకొని ఇప్పుడు అందరం కూడా అటు వివిధ స్థాయిల్లో ఉన్నారు. ఏదేమైనప్పటికీ ఇప్పుడు మనం గ్లోబలైజేషన్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఇంగ్లీష్ అనేది మనందరికీ కూడా కావాల్సిందే. సో ప్రతి తెలుగు మీడియంలో కూడా ఇప్పుడు మనం చూస్తున్న ప్రభుత్వం కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంలుగా వాటిని చేంజ్ చేస్తుంది. అంటే ఇంగ్లీష్ ఉన్న ప్రాధాన్యతను బట్టి మనము ఇంగ్లీష్లో చదువుకోవాల్సిన ఆవశ్యకత ఇప్పుడున్న పరిస్థితుల్లో ఉంది. యూనివర్సల్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అనేది మనము ఇప్పుడు ఒక జిల్లా నుంచి మనం ఒక స్టేట్ నుంచి ఇంకో స్టేట్కి అయినప్పుడు మనము సాధారణంగా మన జాతీయ భాషల్లో ఏదో ఒక మాట్లాడుతున్నా సరిపోతుంది. హిందీ వచ్చినా సరే లేదా స్థానిక భాష వచ్చినా ఓకే. బట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వచ్చుంటే మీరు ప్రపంచంలో ఏ మూలకి వెళ్ళినప్పటికీ వాళ్ళతో కమ్యూనికేట్ చేసుకోగలుగుతారు. దాని అడ్వాంటేజ్ అది. అలాగే మనం చూసుకుంటాం మనం నాలెడ్జ్ఫుల్గా చూసుకున్నప్పుడు మన మాతృభాషలో అంటే తెలుగులో అయినా హిందీలో అయినా కంటే మన స్టడీ మెటీరియల్ కూడా ఏదైనా సరే మన పై చదువులోకి వెళ్తున్న కొద్ది మెటీరియల్ అనేది ఆవశ్యకత కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఎక్కువగా దొరుకుతుంది మనకు. యూనివర్సల్ లాంగ్వేజ్ కాబట్టి ప్రతి ఒక్క పెద్ద రచయితలు రాసిన బుక్స్ అవైలబుల్గా ఉంటాయి. మనం చదువుకునే చదువుల్లో కూడా ఇంకా మనం వెతుకెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం వల్ల. సో ఇంగ్లీష్ అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా మనము ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఈ విద్యార్థి దశ నుంచి కూడా నాలెడ్జ్లోకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు మీరు తర్వాత ఇంజనీరింగ్ వైపు వెళ్తారో, ఇంకా ముందు చదువులు ఎక్కడైనా సరే మీరు నిర్దేశించుకొని వెళ్తారో, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినప్పటికీ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఉండాల్సిన ప్రాధాన్యత ఆ విధంగా ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని మనం అందరం గుర్తించాలి. ఇలాంటి ఒక మంచి కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేసినందుకు నేను పాఠశాల యాజమాన్యాన్ని కూడా నా తరఫున వాళ్ళను అభినందిస్తున్నాను, కృతజ్ఞతలు కూడా తెలుసుకుంటున్నాను. సో మీరందరూ కూడా ఇక ముందు ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఇప్పుడు జరిగేదంతా కూడా ఎగ్జామ్ సీజన్. సో ప్రతి ఒక్క పిల్లలు కూడా ముఖ్యంగా 9th 10thలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు వచ్చి 10th పైన ఫోకస్ చేయండి. 10th క్లాస్లో ఉంటున్న వాళ్ళు ఎగ్జామ్స్ కూడా చాలా ఇంకా 1 month కూడా లేదు. చూస్తుంటే 15 రోజులు స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి ఎగ్జామ్స్. మీరందరూ కూడా బాగా చదువుకోవాలి. ఇంతకుముందు స్కూల్కి ఏ గ్రేడ్స్ వచ్చినాయో లేదు నాకు ఐడియా లేదు. బట్ చాలా ఎక్కువ అందరూ కూడా 9th వస్తుందని చెప్పేసి ఆశిస్తున్నాను నేను. ఆ విధంగా చదవండి. మీరు కూడా ప్రైవేట్ పాఠశాలను మన ప్రభుత్వ పాఠశాలను కంపారిజన్ లేకుండా ప్రైవేట్లో కొంచెం ఎక్కువ వసతులు సౌకర్యాలు ఉంటాయనే ఉద్దేశంతో తల్లిదండ్రుల దగ్గర ఉన్నా లేకున్నా కష్టపడి మీ దగ్గర పెడతారు సార్. మీరందరూ కూడా వాళ్ళని బాగా చూసుకోవాలి, బాగా చదివించాలి నిజానికి. సో వాళ్ళు పెట్టే తక్కువ పైసలు కూడా మీరు న్యాయం చేయాలి. వాళ్ళ పిల్లల్ని వాళ్ళ ఆశలని వాళ్ళ పిల్లలపైనే ఉంటాయి. ఆ ఆశల్ని మీరు నెరవేర్చాల్సిన బాధ్యత మీపైనే ఉంటుంది. మీరు ఆ బృహత్తర కార్యక్రమము అది అదృష్టం మీ అందరికి కలగడం నిజానికి అది ఎవరికి కలగదు, మీకు మాత్రమే కలుగుతుంది. సో ఆ బాధ్యతలు మీరు నెరవేర్చి పిల్లలందరినీ కూడా ప్రయోజకులుగా తీర్చిదిద్దారని ఆశిస్తూ నాకు ఇన్వైట్ చేసినందుకు, అవకాశం ఇచ్చినందుకు కృతజ్ఞతలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
dignitaries who assembled here. I would like to thank our chief guest who honored this function with his inspirational thoughts. I, on behalf of my English faculty teachers, I would like to thank our beloved correspondent sir, principal sir, and my staff, colleagues, and my dear students. Without you, this party is success gone. Say, without you, this party is a grand success. I would like to thank all the teachers, staff, volunteers, and audience who assembled here and making this party as a grand success.